In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Thinkific subscription. To get started, open Thinkific and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the admin dashboard. This is where you'll find the main settings and tools for managing your account. From the dashboard, click on Account and then select Account Management. In this section, look for the option labeled Manage Subscription. This is where Thinkific keeps your current billing and plan details. Next, click Cancel Plan. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts to continue through the cancellation process. Thinkific may show you a few confirmation screens along the way, so take a moment to read each one carefully before moving forward. If you're prompted to type confirm in all capital letters, make sure you enter it exactly as shown. This is simply an extra step to verify that you want to cancel the subscription. Once that's done, confirm your cancellation request to finalize the process. Before your subscription officially ends, it's a good idea to export any important data you may need later. This can include things like your student list, course content, and sales page information. Taking care of this in advance can help you avoid losing access to anything important after your plan changes. You'll also want to check for any active student subscriptions or payment plans and cancel those if needed. This helps prevent future charges from continuing after you've canceled your main subscription. One important thing to keep in mind is that canceling your Thinkific plan does not usually end your access immediately. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. After that, your account will be downgraded to the free plan, and that's it. Once you've completed those steps, your Thinkific subscription cancellation will be in place.